Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps for You family. Today the demo which I'm going to show is all about security, so policy as a code. The tool name is Checkov. This is from Prisma Cloud. So how we can implement a policy as a code. So the tool name is Checkov. This Checkov scan cloud infrastructure configuration to find misconfiguration before they deployed. And Checkov uses a common line interfaces to manage and analyze infrastructure as a code, and it support mostly all of the cloud provider like Terraform and Azure, AWS, GCP, CloudFormation, even AWS CloudFormation. So this is very handy tool and very useful tool. So what is the use of this tool? So in a common scenario, when we want to deploy our infrastructure to the cloud, and there may be a concern from our internal security team that after the deployment there will be a lot of vulnerability identified that was exposed to threats. So in order to reactive approach, I can call this tool as a proactive approach. So we can get a visibility before we deploy the resources into the cloud, so how we are compliant with those policies. So policy as a code, that was I meant. So I have already have this checkout bat file created. So let me go through this one, how we can set up this one. So Checkov, we can set up many ways. Like we can just install that one into our local system. So like a pip install, if you are using Unix, like Linux platform, you can just try this one. And I am using a Docker container since I'm using Windows, and I'm using WSL to deploy the things for the Linux environment. So I thought of, instead of installing into my local, what I thought was I have already Docker installed in my system. So let me just show you. So Docker. So yeah, so this is the Docker version, and what I did was I created a I'm going to create a Docker container. So that will be I have this code. I'll be mapping this volume to the container, uh, which will be get created, and it will run this code, and it will like output all the policies which is compliant or not compliant. Okay, so let us jump into the demo. So these are my configuration files. Okay, so in order to just run this checkout, I need to just run this sh file. And since this is not working in bash, I have created a bat file for that one. So I know how to even run this one. I have two commands. Let me show you the difference. So first, what I will do, I will just run. This is just to kind of uh, uh, command section, command option in Linux. Okay, I'm just going to run this first line of the command. Even I have created the batch file for that one. Okay, so I'll be just switching over to command prompt, and from here I just type checkout.bat. Now we can see the magic, or I can say the outcome, not the magic. This is not a magic. Yeah, let us see the outcome. Yeah, voila. So now if you see, this is giving us a very more like very close input what we are going to deploy and how. So Checkov has, since it's Azure, they have a pre template available. So they will compare with this result or our code, so to find out the difference. So if you see the result, this is pass check 9, failed 9, and skipped 0. That means we have 9 check passed and 9 failed, and skipped 0. By the way, check how I'm using the Docker container which I pulled is 2.3. Okay, fine. So now if you see, this will give you more how we can what is the resource it's stating as a alarm, and what kind of the mitigation we need to do. Fine. So if you see, it's kindly it has given the visibility like ensure storage logging is enabled queue or not. So likewise, if you see this one, ensure that storage blob restrict public access. And yeah, so if you see public access is enabled, here false, right? Storage account type, okay. Ensure that blob restrict with public access and replication. So okay, let us go with one way of triggering this one. Okay, so currently I can see 9 paused and 9 failed. So what I will do, I will just go into I will just show you use case. What I will do, I will just comment this out and let me run that tool again. So this time what I will do, instead of running this tool with all the more information, I will output this with a compact option. So if I go to my batch file, what I will do, I will just update this one, and this time I will just this one. Okay, so even I don't need to run this command, but just if I come here, command dot not sh, it should be bad. Oh, check out that command. Yeah, so this time if you see, this is taking the variable, the second line command, that is hyphen compact. So now you can able to see the difference between the first output and this output. So you see the first output, it give us a more visibility or the output with the exact resources, all those types. So now if you I'm expecting this time the fail count will be 10. Yeah, so that's what my expectation. Let us check. Yeah, if you see, fail check 10. So previously it was 9. Let me show you that one for the confirmation. So yeah, this was 9. So what we can do as a practice, we need to just follow this I am ensuring that this storage account using this minimum TLS version. Okay, so now I just mitigated this one. And so you see one more command, like if you have multiple this is just a Terraform stuff, so I just thought of sharing with you, and you have more unaligned kind of a things. Okay, and the beauty here is it's not on one file. Okay, it's on different file. I can say, so there will be a one command, what I can say, clear the screen. Yeah, fine. So if I go to my command.sh, I always have this in my all my Terraform file. What I will do first, I will echo Terraform init and Terraform format. This is the command which I'm referring. So if you just run this one, this will give you the overview what is the file which or I can say it will get formatted, even it was in the different directory. So we need to just use this recursive. Yeah, you see now two files, one is main, another one is storage. So if I go here, main, okay, and yeah, all are auto formatted. So maybe I can again do this one for you, not only this file, and now storage. container. Maybe do I have anything left here? I don't have backend. I think this will be the next video. I'm just planning. Yeah, provider, we no need to touch this one. Okay, fine. So I'll be running this, and the output will be now it will be auto formatted this two files. Yeah, you see. So I'm going back to mine just to confirm my files are two lined. Okay, guys. Yeah. So coming to Checkov. So now I have back to the business. Like we have re-enabled or implemented this minimum TLS version. So now if I run my Checkov batch file, now this time I'm expecting the output which I'm going to get will be fail count will be 9 and the past count should be 9 and 9. Yeah, I think. Yeah. So last time it was 10. So since we have implemented that minimum TLS version, it was reduced one. And also like you can just, for example, if you want to check this what this actually do, this is kind of open a new page, and here we can able to see what is the checkout ID and what is the fix we are supposed to implement. Okay, fine. So here they are saying storage account public access enabled false. Let me check what I have implemented. So this was already false. Okay, and likewise we need to just go through all this setting in order to mitigate this one. And also if you want to skip any of this one, we have an option. So let me go through the comment. Come on, readme. I have a readme always here. So if you want to just, if you have installed in your local, this is the option checkout -d for a directory and dot for the current directory. And this is the same command which I ran just before compact option. And if you want to target any file, and we have to give the file name. Okay, and this is just the Docker container which I pulled, which I ran in my local. Okay, thank you guys, and I think this tool you can just explore this one, because if we know if we act proactively, so we can be able to reduce the risk of our environment, and our security team will be happy. So yeah, I'm hoping to have our environment safe. Thank you guys. Thank you.